Hello my amazing viewers, welcome back to Cook with Grace Kiswe. If you're just seeing this channel for the first time, you're welcome, and this is Cook with Grace Kiswe. So in today's video we'll be cooking or making oil bean. So I've already cooked my beans and make sure the beans is soft. So in a pot I added my palm oil. I added the oil that I use in frying fish, yes. Then I slice my onions and allow the onion to saute before I pour my tomato. So after adding my tomato, I add my fresh blend pepper. After adding the fresh blend pepper, I added my blended crayfish. Don't forget to always clean your environment, because cleanliness is next to godliness. So I added my nut cube as always. If no be no, if you be no, I add my nut cube and I added my salt. Then check. I adjusted to know if the taste was okay, and the taste was okay, so I allow it to cook. So when the tomato sauce was ready, all I did was to carry that cooked beans already soft cooked beans, and I pour it. You can do it this method, but when I realized that the pan I was using will not be enough, so I just turn it back straight into the pot. Okay, then I mix thoroughly and make sure that everything is thoroughly mixed properly. I covered and I brought out my fried fish and I added the fried fish to it. As you can see from the video, I added. If you're just watching me for the first time, thank you for always following me. Keep watching more of my recipe. So at this moment now, our food is in far ready. The aroma is oozing everywhere. So our oil beans is ready. Ta-da! Look at it. Doesn't look yummy. It looks so amazing and tastes yummy. So give it a try, and thanks for watching. See you guys on my next recipe. I love you guys. Bye. Bye.